Modern family safety. A basic guide to protecting your family before an emergency. That won't happen to us. That phrase seems simple, but it's often the reason why a family doesn't prepare. We don't think about emergencies because we're busy. We don't talk about paperwork because we believe there will always be time. We don't review insurance because it seems like just another expense. We don't talk about difficult decisions because no one wants to imagine an accident, an illness, or an unexpected hospitalization. And yet, life can change in an instant. A phone call. A fall, an illness. An accident, a home emergency. A legal problem. An urgent medical decision. When that happens, many families discover something painful: they weren't prepared. Not for lack of love, not for irresponsibility, but because no one taught them how to organize themselves before an emergency. That's why this series was created. Modern Family Safety. A simple guide to help families prepare better, organize important information, make clearer decisions, and reduce chaos when life gets complicated. This isn't a series about living in fear. It's a series about living responsibly, with order, and with peace. Because a prepared family doesn't avoid all problems, but it can face an emergency with less confusion, less wasted time, and more direction. In the first episodes of this series, we've discussed 5 basic topics. The first is very simple, but very important. Don't wait for an emergency. Many people think they'll get organized later. Later we review the documents. Later, we look at the insurance. Later, we talk to the children. Later, we look for contacts. Later we ask where the policies are. Later, we decide who can act if something happens, but in an emergency, later often comes too late. When someone is hospitalized, when to raise an urgent call, when a document is needed. When a doctor or insurance company needs to be notified. The family shouldn't have to start from scratch. That's why the first step in modern family security is accepting a simple truth. The best time to prepare is before you need it. It's not about doing everything perfectly, it's about starting. A notebook, a folder. A family conversation. A contact list, a document review. A clear agreement. That alone can make a big difference. The second topic is the family emergency folder. In many homes, important documents exist, but no one knows exactly where they are. Birth certificates, IDs, insurance policies, household documents, car paperwork, medical records, medications, beneficiaries, important accounts, emergency contacts. Everything is somewhere. But it's not always easy to find. And when an emergency strikes, wasting time searching for documents can increase stress, confusion, and problems. That's why a prepared family needs an emergency family folder. It can be a physical folder, safely stored, and there can also be a secure digital copy. The important thing isn't having piles of documents. The important thing is that the essential information is organized, protected, and available to whoever truly needs to access it. This folder should help answer simple questions. Where are the original documents? What insurance policies are in place? Who should be called first? Which doctors treat the family? What medications does each person take? Who are the beneficiaries? What documents must not be lost? And who can help if the family doesn't know what to do? It's not about leaving sensitive information lying around. It's about organizing it carefully, protecting it well, and making sure a trusted person knows how to access it if it's truly needed. A family emergency folder doesn't prevent problems, but it can prevent chaos. It can prevent desperate searches. It can prevent a family from wasting valuable time precisely when they need clarity. The third topic is the emergency contact list. Because when something goes wrong, many families waste precious minutes asking themselves a basic question: who do we call first? In an emergency, good intentions aren't enough. The family needs a clear list of important contacts: doctors, hospitals, insurance companies, close relatives, trusted neighbors, a lawyer, people who can help with the children, people who can support an elderly adult, someone who can look after the house. Someone who can help locate documents. It's also a good idea to have an out-of-town contact. Why? Because when an emergency happens near us, there can be confusion, crossed calls, busy phones, or people not answering. A family member or friend out of town can help receive messages, organize information, and notify other family members. The contact list should be on your cell phone, but also printed out. It should be in the family emergency folder. And it should be reviewed from time to time, because phone numbers change. Doctors change, insurance policies change, and families change too. A contact list doesn't solve every problem, but it can provide direction when your mind is confused and time is of the essence. The fourth topic is basic insurance to protect the family. Many families see insurance as just another expense. And that's understandable. Therese, food, school, rent, a mortgage, transportation, medicine, utilities, and many other daily commitments. But insurance isn't purchased because we expect something bad to happen. It's purchased so that, if something does happen, the family isn't financially devastated. Life insurance can protect those who depend on the main income of the household. Health insurance can help when an illness, accident, or hospitalization comes unexpectedly. Home insurance can protect one of a family's most important assets. Car insurance doesn't just protect the vehicle, it can also protect us from damages caused to other people. And liability insurance can be very important when we unintentionally cause damage that could cost a lot of money. Not all families need the same insurance, and you don't always need to get the most expensive policy. The important thing is to review the family's real risks, compare options, understand the coverage, and know what policies exist, where to find them, and who to contact. Insurance doesn't eliminate the pain of an emergency, but it can prevent an unmanageable financial crisis from arising in addition to the problem itself. That's why talking about insurance isn't about talking about fear, it's about responsibility, planning ahead, and family protection. The fifth topic is one of the most difficult, but also one of the most important. What happens if mom or dad can't make decisions? Or what if the husband, wife, grandparent, or the person who usually organizes everything in the family can't make a decision? Many families depend on a single person for many things. One person knows where the documents are, one person knows what insurance policies exist. One person pays the bills. One person knows the passwords, one person talks to the doctors. One person knows who to call. One person makes the important decisions, but what happens if that person gets sick, has an accident, is hospitalized, is confused, or simply can't speak? That's when many families discover they didn't have clear agreements. They don't know who can authorize things. They don't know who can talk to doctors. They don't know who can access documents. They don't know who can pay urgent bills. They don't know who takes care of the children, the elderly, the house, or the pets. An emergency is not the best time to decide who should make decisions. That's why it's important to talk beforehand. Not with fear, not with drama, but with maturity. The family needs to know who can act, who is authorized, where the documents are, what decisions have already been discussed, and which trusted people can help. In some cases, it may be necessary to consult a lawyer, review powers of attorney, medical authorizations, wills, beneficiaries, or other legal documents. Every country, every state, and every family may have different rules, but the basic idea is the same. Don't leave important decisions to chance. When someone can't speak for themselves, the family needs to know what to do and who can act. These 5 topics are just the beginning of modern family security. Many more can follow. Digital family protection, seniors and fraud, planning for minor children, emergency fund, home security, families living in different cities or countries, beneficiaries, difficult conversations, and a complete family plan to get everything in order. But you don't have to do it all in one day. The important thing is to start. A family can begin with a conversation, then a folder, then a contact list, then review insurance policies, then discuss important decisions. Step by step, without fear, without pressure, with responsibility. Because modern family security isn't about living in fear of the worst, it's about loving in a practical way, it's about saving our loved ones from chaos. It's about laying clear paths, it's about ensuring that if life suddenly changes, the family doesn't have to start from scratch. On this channel, you'll find short videos in this series, each dedicated to a specific part of the family plan. You can watch them in the Modern Family Security playlist, and share them with people who might find this content helpful. Remember, it's not about living in fear, it's about living prepared, with responsibility, clarity, and peace. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to receive future videos in this series. You can also share it with another family. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.